All right. We're still working on the vertex form, standard form, delta math. And so if you go to, we're going to do axis of symmetry and vertex with technology. And so I'm going to click on this. All right, so here's my equation, and it says with technology. So they're trying to get you to use a calculator or Desmos, which we can do that. And we're going to go ahead and put this in Desmos. Oh, let's see. Negative x squared minus 2x. Just make sure I was right. Negative 2x squared minus 2x. Okay. Right. And they just want us to find the axis of symmetry. Well, the axis of symmetry is where the vertex is. And so if I draw a line straight down, it hits the x-axis, and it looks like it's at -1. Now, if you look at the vertex right here, the x value is your axis of symmetry. So like this is the min or max. In this case, it's a max. So my max is y is 1. My axis of symmetry is x is -1. So my answer here is they want an equation. So x equals -1. See, there's the axis of symmetry. Remember that contains it, hits right there at 1. All right, so let's do another one. These are pretty simple because you're using, somehow I hit the wrong one. Axis of symmetry and vertex here. All right, so this is a little bigger. And they want you to write the answer in XY form. So I'm going to click here, and I'll put this equation in here now. All right, let's see here. X squared. I got to write this stuff down. So x squared plus 2x minus 7. All right, so there's that problem right there. All right, so they want to know the axis. This is a little different, isn't it? Find the coordinates of the vertex. So they want us to find the x and y point. And they want us to write it like this. All right, so write your answer as, so they want you to write it like this. So we're going to use the graph. This is my vertex right there. And look, it's -1, -8. Well, it's not. Decimal gives you right to you. So you open up here, you open it up. Oops, wrong way. -1, comma, -8. I want to verify, make sure I did it right. -1, -8. So that's right. There it is. Hit submit and then hit go. And there it is. Pretty simple. Nothing much to it. All right. We might try one more. This is axis of symmetry. So this one right here, we're going to do axis of symmetry. All right. So I'll go to Desmos. I'm just putting the equation in. Now there is an easier way to do this. If you look at the B value, see the B value for axis of symmetry? The B value, you got to think you got to take that, and which is a -6. And it's, remember the formula -b over 2a? Well, the -b, well, that's, the b is a -6. So a negative and a -6 makes it a positive. And you have 2 times a, and a is 1. So the answer should be 3 here without me even having to do it. So if you know how to do this, and I'll go over this again as soon as I get through writing it. So you see this value here? All right, so the B value is, and I'm just going to write this down, y equals -b divided by 2a. Okay, so there it is right there. All right, and so if you put -6 in here, I'm going to put -6 here. All right, put 5, 6. And then A is, A's right here. It's in front of that's 1. So 2 times 1 is 1, times 2 is 2. Look, my value is 3. Okay. So you already know that your axis, I put Y, it's supposed to be, well, it's supposed to be X. The axis symmetry, and it won't accept X, I don't think. Oh yeah, so X, so you see that, so look right here, it's at 3. Now we could go here, click on this and go up and say, oh, it's on 3. So my answer should be 3. And there you go. Same thing. Nothing changes.